In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide columns in Monday.com in just 5 minutes. First, let's begin by heading over to Monday.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so by clicking on Login, conveniently located at the top right corner of the homepage. Once the login page opens, you have the option to sign in with Google, which is a streamlined and secure way if you have an account linked to Monday.com. Click on Sign in with Google, select your Google account from the list, and you'll be automatically directed to your Monday.com workspace. Now that you're logged in, navigate over to your board. This is where you'll manage your tasks and projects, and today it's where we'll focus our attention on hiding columns for a cleaner and more organized view. In your board, identify the column you wish to hide. Perhaps it's a column you don't frequently use or one that's cluttering your workspace. Once you've decided, hover over the column header. You'll notice 3 little dots appear. Click on this icon. This is essentially the gateway to customizing each column's appearance. In the drop-down menu that appears after clicking the 3 dots, you'll find an option labeled Settings. This is where Monday.com houses its configuration options for columns. A quick click here opens up a new set of options. From this settings menu, look for an option that says Restrict Column View. By selecting this, you'll effectively hide the column from view, clearing up space and allowing for a simpler layout. This feature is particularly beneficial for those times when you're dealing with a lot of data and you want to focus on specific elements without getting distracted by lesser used columns. It's also a great way to customize your board for presentations, allowing you to show what's necessary without revealing every detail at once. Remember, hiding columns in Monday.com is reversible. If you need to access a hidden column in the future, you can easily reverse this setting by following these steps and deselecting the Restrict Column View option. So there it is, a straightforward way to improve the tidiness and functionality of your Monday.com board by utilizing the column hiding feature. By hiding columns, you not only create a more professional look, but also streamline your workflow to focus on what's really important. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful for organizing your projects more efficiently on Monday.com. Be sure to check back for more tips and tricks on managing your workspace.